Time now for Bears, Bagels, and Brenda. So far, so good for Brenda. She's 2 for 2 with her Bears picks. She's taking a break at the Bagel Deli and Restaurant to join Pete McMurray for her Bears Cardinals pick. Pete, take it away.
Okay, guys, we're at the Bagel Restaurant and Deli. Here's Brenda again. It's week 3. The Bears are at the Cardinals in Phoenix. What can you tell us?
Well, the Cardinals are really a different team this year. They have a different coach and they have different quarterbacks. They got Sam Bradford for $20 million. He's either the luckiest or the unluckiest man in football. He plays one game with every new team every year and he gets injured. And they got Mike Glennon for whatever they paid for him. It's too much money. They also drafted Josh Rosen out of UCLA. He's got both on the field and off the field concerns. I'm interested in his on the field concerns. In 30 college games, he threw 26 interceptions. I think he's got too much confidence in his arm ability, and he attempts too many close window throws that he can't make. Remind you of anybody, Jay Cutler?
Well, who are you going to take? The Bears or the Cardinals?
I'm taking the Bears.
You're taking the Bears?
Yes.
Okay. Brenda's taking the Bears, guys. I'm taking the Bears. Back to you.
All right, Pete, thanks. Hey, how about running a couple of turkey sandwiches over for the postgame crew this afternoon? What do you think of that?
I like that idea, Brenda. Make it happen, Captain.
Come on, Brenda. Everyone took the Bears last week, so everyone's a winner. Brenda and Jim still have a 1-game lead over Pete and I, but that is going to change soon. At least I'm hoping it's going to.